Okay, sabi ni Franz pagkain. Hindi ko pa po natapos yung tanong, ha? Ano sa tingin mo? Nagtitinda ng ano sino?
Yung walang pera.
Okay, hindi ganito. Pero sinagot niya, pagkain eh. Tatapusin ko yung tanong kasi
Okay.
baka swak naman eh. Minsan nagtitinda ng ano ang mga teacher. Ang mga teacher. So, medyo pasok yun. Medyo pasok. Diba? Yung mga nagtitinda ng mga snacks, pulburon, you know, small things na pwedeng bitbitin. Dahil syempre, gusto nila may pandagdag. Diba? Pandagdag sa income. Diba? Multitaskers. Ang sabi mo, pagkain. Ang sabi ng survey ay, it's a top answer. France, master play. Play! Alright, here we go, Cracky. Baka ito na yun. Ito na yun. Baka ito na yun. Wensi. Para madagdagan ang sweldo, minsan nagtitinda ng ano ang mga teacher.
School supplies.
Can you be specific? Ano kaya
Pencil,
pinakakailangan? Pencil, ballpen.
Pangsulat.
Pangsulat, ballpen. Ayan. Survey says, boom! Nandyan. Diba? Chris, okay. Para matagdagan ang sweldo, minsan nagtitinda ng ano ang mga teacher.
Kumot.
Kumot! Kumot! Nabenta ka na ba ng kumot?
Pwede yan, pwede.
Kumot! Alright. Sabi nila kumot. Ang sabi ng survey ay, wala. Minsan, para matagdagan ang maliit na sahod ng mga teacher natin na sobrang hardworking, di ba? Kaya saludo tayo sa mga teacher natin, di ba? Magsalamat tayo sa ating mga guro. Nagtitinda ng ano ang mga teacher?
Cosmetics.
Cosmetics. Survey. Stand by almost. France, one last chance. If you get this right, okay pa tayo, buhay pa tayo. Para matagdagan ng maliit na sweldo, minsan nagtitinda ng ano ang mga teacher?
Mga libro.
Libro. Yan.
Yes!
Pakita mo na. 273 at stake. Wala. Okay, here we go. Cracking. Chance to steal. Ganito ang sitwasyon, guys. 273 points na dyan. Kung mali ang makuha mo, client, automatic panalo kayo. That's a situation. Pero kung tama, alam na natin mangyayari. Cracking. Ano ang sagot ko?
Libro. Storybook.
Storybook. Job.
Kailangan yan.
Mga homemade na accessories.
Homemade handicrafts. Homemade
Handicrafts.
accessories. Russell.
I'll go with the accessories.
Accessories then. Okay, climb. Very, very tricky situation you have here para madagdagan ang sweldo. Minsan nagtitinda ng ano, mga teacher. For the win, man. For the win.
Para sa akin, mga libro.
Mga libro. Mga libro. Mga libro.
Grabe ka naman, Kuya Dong!
Parang nararamdaman mo, Franz, ha? Oh, sagot ko yun, eh. Ako. Anyway. Yes! Let's give it a try, guys. Sabi po nila, libro. Survey says,
Sorry!
baka habang nag-huddle kayo, nasabi kasi yung libro. Hindi nyo narinig. So, nasabi na yung libro, it was a wrong answer. Kaya sayang na ulit. Hindi bale. I'm sure hindi nyo siya narinig, pero next time. Dahil dyan,
Babawi sa susunod!
bag.
Nga naman.
Number 2.
It's a prank! You thought kasi what you call this, we're watching Family Feud? We're not watching Family Feud just for fun, people. Just what I've said. The Family Feud we're watching today is another math problem. So ito na yung math problem na yun. Diba? These are the top 4 answers on the board. And then based on these top 4 answers, we are going to compose another pie chart or pie graph. Hence, that's the reason why we're not watching Family Feud just for fun. Alright? It's time to get serious. Kaya namin to. Okay? So, di ba remember ito yung topic ng pie chart namin? So, here's our pie chart which is still blank. But, we haven't drawn anything yet. So, now we're going to draw the pie chart. Alright? So, di ba remember ito yung tanong? Di ba ang sabi dito sa tanong na yan, sa Family Feud question na to, name something that a teacher will sell in order that he can get more money. And these are the top 4 answers that are being provided on the board. Now we are going to make the pie chart. Alright? So how do you make the pie chart? Ganito kasimple. Here's the formula. first, di ba remember ito yun? Get a sheet of paper. Wait lang ha. Get a sheet of paper and then we write down the following. Okay, so now let's go back now to our math. So as you can see, this is the problem, alright? Tungkol sa, what does the teacher sell in order that she can gain more money? Pwede naman, like for example, ito naman, pagkain, which is 85 points. So you know already what to do, di ba? First, we sum everything up. So ganito yung formula. 85, let me write it down na lang. 85 plus 6 equals 91. 91 plus 6 equals 97. Last 3, 100. So therefore, the summation is 100. So therefore, ganito yung formula. Di ba remember, our formula goes like this. Pagkain, food. Di ba remember yung teacher mag-sell nyo ng pagkain? So therefore, it's 85 over 100. Did you know 85 over 100 can be simplified to 17 over 20? Tama? In lowest terms. Then multiply that by 360. So that you can get the angle of the sector. The zeros cancel, hence this leaves to 17 over 2 times 36. Tama? 36 and 2 can be divided out. So this can be 17 times 18 over 1 times 1. Hence the answer is 360 degrees. Grabe! Ang lawak naman to ha. Pili mo 360 degrees. Ang laki naman to. So 360 degrees. Now how do we draw 360 degrees in our pie chart? To draw 360 degrees, it's very, very, very large. Kaya naman, that's the reason why here's a formula. Remember how many degrees does it take to go over one whole circle? If your answer is 360 degrees, you are correct. 360. Alright, now with the 360 degrees, we are going to divide it. We're going to subtract it with the answer so that we can get the remnant measure of the angle that does not include this angle of 306. So therefore, 360 minus 306 is equivalent to 4, 5, 54. So therefore, the remnant angle must measure 54 degrees. At ganito yung itsura sa pag-draw. Diba remember, ito yung ruler mo, diba? Ito yung ruler mo sa pagsusukat. Panawin mo, diba? Ito yun yung ruler. Tapos, i-draw. Okay? This your radius, diba? Ito yung radius mo. Ito yung radius. Nama? Now, we have to measure 54 degrees in our ruler. So, where's the 54 degrees? Check mo kung nasan galing yung 54. Yan, nandito. Ito yun, oh. Nandito yung 54. Yan, nandito. Now, all you have to do is to connect the two lines together, okay? Connect it. Make sure that they are aligned. Tapos, i-connect. Yan. Alright? So, therefore, this entire thing is the 360 degrees. Tukol sa pagkain. Okay? Now, that's, whoa! Alam mo, to be honest, first time in the history, I've seen a pie chart such that one sector is very, very large. Ang laki naman to. Sikat-sikat na top answer yan ah. Ano ba yan, Kuya Dong? Okay, don't panic about that. We still got many more things to do pa. Next, let's go to the next. The next one is damit. Di ba remember dito sa damit, we have to do this, okay? So, tungkol sa damit, we're gonna have to subtract, okay? So, di ba remember dito sa damit, may ibang formula naman tayo. Okay, let me write it down for you. Okay, damit. Ito yun, no? Damit is equivalent to, remember, that's 6 over 100. 6 over 100 can be simplified to 3 over 50. And 3 over 50 times 360 degrees. Tama? Cross out 3 zeros. Therefore, 3 over 5 is 0.6. 0.6 times 36. Diba? So, therefore, it's like 36 times 6. Do you know 36? If we were to take the square root, that's 6. That's 6 times 6. Tama? So, therefore, it's 6 times 6 times 0.6. That becomes 216, pero you have 1 decimal point. So, therefore, the answer is 21.6 degrees. Tama? Same pa rin sa papel. It's still the same answer. Sa papel at saka sa ballpen, di ba dito, papel at ballpen, they're tied up. So, therefore, 21.6 pa rin yun. To double check, ganito siya, di ba? 6 over 100 times 360. Di ba? Over 1. 36 times 6 is 2,160. Divide by 100. Then 216 divided by 10, that becomes 21.6 degrees. Yan. So same pa rin. So sum this up. That's 21.6, that becomes 7, 6, 2, 3, 2, 7. Then 21.6 again, 2 carry 1, 9, 9, 4, 3. Okay? Ito yun, no? What's last? Last but not least ay yung bag. Ito yun, bag. 3 lang, 3 lang. So for bag, you can still solve or you can just subtract. So 3 over 100. Hence, 3 times 100 times 360 over 1. This crosses over. So therefore, 360. And then, wait, cross out 1 0, diba? That becomes 10. 3 over 10 over 1. Then 3 over 10, that becomes 0.3. 0.3 times 36. Hence, the answer becomes to 108. Then 1 decimal point. So 10.8. And then 349.2. Let me write it there. 349.2 degrees. Can you see? So right here, oh. 349.2 degrees plus 10.8. This becomes 10, 10, 6, 3. So tama, sakto lamang, 360 degrees. Okay? So now that's how we do the pie chart. Now to finalize everything. Di ba remember yung pie chart namin, ito yung 360 degrees tungkol sa pagkain. Now all we need to do is to solve for the rest. Okay? So we have 21.4. 21.6 pala. So 21, nasaan yung 21? Dito. 21. Although hindi siya accurate, pero okay lang yan. Then, connect the line. Yan. Okay. Tapos dito naman, how much angle is left? 39. So, we need to have 21 again here. Nasaan po yung 21? Dito. Okay. Dito tayo guhit ulit. Okay. Tapos, last but not least, ay yung 10 degrees. Ito yun, no? Tama, sakto lang. Okay? So, therefore, this one is for the meat. This one is for the pen. Tapos, this one naman sa bag. Although, kahit na maliit, but at least naman, we've done the pie chart, alright? Now, let's do the math. How to solve for the circumference and area of the circle. First, let's measure the diameter of the circle. And so, our diameter for the circle is 4.5 inches, di ba? 4.5 inches. Let's try on this perspective naman. Is it still 4.5? Yes, 4.5 pa rin to. This side naman, 4.5. So therefore, our diameter is 4.5 inches. Okay? But if you want to do it into cm, pwede pa rin yun. Pero I don't think I have a time for that. So let's do inches na lang para to be fair. Okay? So now to solve for the circumference of any circle, you already know the formula. So, all we have to do is this, diba? Ito na yung formula sa paghahanap ng circumference ng circle. Pi times diameter. Then times the angle that you want. 306 over 360. That's for the first one. Diba? What's the diameter? The diameter is 9 inches. So, 3.14 times 9. That becomes 28.26 inch. Okay? Pero, we have to multiply it by 360 over 360. Dividing that so will give you, di ba remember 360 divided by 9? Let's do this here. Can you see what I'm doing? 1, 18, 12, 17. So 17 over 20. So therefore, we have to multiply it by 17, then divide by 20. So therefore, 28.26 times 17. 42, 7 times. Actually, to be honest, para mas mabilis, I would like to show you na lang in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so here's the pie chart, alright? So ganito kasi yung pie chart namin, alright? So ganito yun. So di ba remember ito yung pie chart na sinasabi ko sa'yo? So di ba remember ito yung pie chart na ginawa ko, di ba? So we have the categories, pagkain, the whole number, the angle. So when we try to do all of this, we're supposed to get the angle. So these are the angles that we're supposed to be getting. Now, all we need to do is to get the circumference. The circumference is right here, okay? Or circum na lang in short. To get the circumference, we have to do pi times diameter. So therefore, it's gonna be 3.14 times, what is the diameter? The diameter is 9 inches. Tama? Then we multiply that by the angle that we want, the angle here, and then divide by 360. Tama? That's supposed to be our formula. Pero you must unlock with a dollar sign. Kasi po what you call this, you need to put dollar sign here, okay? Even on the other side. Dapat may dollar sign to. Para what you call this, you can get the answer. So that's supposed to be our answer. 3.14 times pi times diameter squared to give you the circumference of the entire circle. Then multiply that by the angle that you want and divide by 3, that is divide by 360 to give you the angle of the sector. But don't forget to add it with the 2 radii. So dapat this should be your answer. Now, we have to do it for the rest. You see this thing here? See the little thing that you can do here? Click on this, drop it down, i-highlight mo, para all the answers will show up. Then, we need to do the area here. So, therefore, 3.14 times 9. We're supposed to get this answer. Now, let's try to sum everything up. And if we get the same answer of 28.26. And if we do get the same answer, we are correct. So, yun na yung sagot. Now, if we want to add with the 2 radii, that is the answer. So, dapat it's supposed to be plus radius. Okay? So, dapat if... I think I better remove this. What the? Bakit may name? So, plus radius. Okay? So, this one, you have to add it to the radius. So, what's the radius? 4.5. So, dapat this one, plus 9. That should be your answer. Then, we add everything up. Yan. So, that should be the circumference of the circle. Now, for the area. To solve for the area, very easy lang to, okay? Madali lang talaga sa pagsusolve ng area. So, remember the area of one circle is always this formula. Diba the formula goes like this? 3.14, that's pi, times the radius squared. Diba the radius squared is 4.5 times 4.5. Tama? And that's supposed to be your answer. 63.5.85. Alright? Now, here's how we solve for the area. We can solve for the area in 2 ways. It's either we do the radian formula or we do the formula such that we do pi times the radius squared times the angle that you want and divide by 360. Or if you want to do the radian formula, ang formula namin ay, we do this, product of the 2 numbers. Product of, remember, 1/2, diba? Times the radius, what's the radius? 4.5. Tama? And then times, ano pa? Radius squared, diba? 4.5 squared. Tama? Or you can do 4.5, then 4.5. Either way, it works. And then, what else? Tingnan mo, we're in the first number, 1/2. Second number, 4.5. Third number, 4.5 din. Kung pwede mo gamitin exponent yan sa second number, patuloy na yan. Pwede pa rin. Okay? And now, here's what we're gonna do. Tapos, what's the theta? The theta is, remember the theta formula, it's the angle that you want, and then times pi, divide by 180. Alright? So, therefore, that's the angle that you want. Choose the angle that you want. It's right here, diba? 360 degrees. Then, times 3.14 divided by 180. That is the radian formula. With that, you should get an area of 50.0473. And if we do it for the rest, we should get something like this. Now, once we sum everything up, isum mo lahat, diba? Click on this, drag to the bottom, you should get this. And if you get the same answer, you are correct. Now, if you're gonna do this formula naman, pwede pa rin ganito yung formula. Like, for example, you do 3.14 times 4.5 squared. Okay? Then times this one, then divide by 360. You should get the same answer din. And it works either way. So it should work with all the rest. So yun lang. So that's how you solve for the angle and the area of everything. So there we have it. Now we've already solved for the angles and the circumference and the area for all of these figures. Thanks for watching this video and see you in our next video.